Everyone's talking about humanoid robots and AI chatbots. But General Motors? They're using AI to do something far less flashy, yet way more impactful. They're turning artificial intelligence into a practical advantage across factories, design labs, and even racetracks. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more no-fluff AI insights, and drop a comment if you think practical AI beats hype any day. So here's what GM's doing differently. While others chase sci-fi headlines, GM's Senior VP of Software and Service Engineering, David Richardson, formerly from Apple, is leading a team of Silicon Valley veterans to make AI actually work for the business. Richardson admits he's bullish on AI, but not on the hype. In his words, there's a tendency to do AI for AI's sake. We're focused on real ROI, products people actually need. That's the core of GM's strategy, less about humanoids, more about human-AI collaboration. Instead of robots that walk and talk, GM trains cobots, machines that assist workers with dull, dirty, or dangerous jobs. These cobots are trained on GM's proprietary manufacturing data, a goldmine of insights from decades of production. GM's factories now use AI vision systems to spot paint imperfections, detect welding flaws, and even predict maintenance issues before a shutdown happens. They build digital twins of entire production lines to simulate workflows, find bottlenecks, and improve safety, all before real construction begins. And it doesn't stop at manufacturing. AI tools help engineers optimize aerodynamics faster, choose the best EV charging station locations, and detect voltage anomalies in batteries before they reach the market. GM even uses AI in its software pipeline, catching 10 times more bugs earlier in development. And yes, they're bringing that same AI power to the racetrack. GM's using AI to fine-tune performance in NASCAR, IndyCar, and soon Formula One. Here's the takeaway. GM's vision proves that AI doesn't have to look like a humanoid to change an industry. The smartest companies aren't chasing hype. They're using AI to make real systems smarter, safer, and faster. If that kind of grounded innovation inspires you, check out the related video in the corner. And if you want to talk about how AI can actually help your business, the link's in the description.